I'm Denis Pivot, your Leggett agent dedicated to the area surrounding Lyon. Today, I would like to introduce you to the magnificent Chateau Marcilloles. This is the oldest part, built in the 19th century by Virginie and Emmanuel Monia. The chateau is located in the area of la Côte-Saint-André between Lyon and Geneva. It has been recently renovated and is in excellent condition. It sits on 2 hectares of woodland park and it has a caretaker house as well as an orangery. The chateau has many reception rooms and is perfect for social events. This chateau is full of wonderful details, like this beautiful staircase. The Anthea suite is absolutely magnificent. It has a boudoir, its own terrace, and who wouldn't want to have a shower in the tower? The beautiful orangery is a lovely addition to the chateau. It needs a little bit of work, but it's such an amazing space. Can you imagine it filled with lemon trees and orchids? The caretaker house needs full renovation, as you can see, but is good structure and has good potential for owners who want to operate for events. That's all from Chateau Marcilloles for now. If you have any questions or inquiries about this amazing property, please find my contact details at the end of this video.